Meaning of importantly.
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 Importantly. Importantly is an adverb that is used to emphasize the significance or relevance of a particular point or fact. It indicates that the following information is crucial and cannot be overlooked or ignored. When used in a sentence, importantly draws attention to the most important aspect of the sentence and helps to clarify the intended meaning. In summary, importantly serves to highlight key information in a statement, drawing attention to its relevance and making it clear that it should not be overlooked or dismissed easily.